I'm Alex Clatworthy and I'm playing Maria.
I'm Nick Shaw and I'm playing Misail.
Maria is new money, Russian new money, and she is the daughter of an engineer who Misail works for at some points during the play. And she's well educated and highfalutin and has got all these big ideas about what she wants to do with life, and then becomes very disillusioned with it all. And I don't know what this is.
Well, Misail's sort of disillusioned with his middle class background, really, and he thinks you should work for your living, and that there's, you shouldn't be entitled to anything because of your birth. He's very disillusioned with the provincial town that they live in, and it's very corrupt, and he sort of is a bit of a visionary, really. And he's very, he has ideals that he wants to stick to, and unfortunately they don't really go right for him in all respects. He gets seduced by this very glamorous woman, such is life. But he still tries his best to stay focused on what he believes in.